Hello, welcome to a new video. Well, in today's video, we're gonna be unboxing the Festive box by Araina by Arshneet. If you don't know about Araina, I'll come to it in a little bit and I'll leave the link of the shop in the description box. This is how the box looks, and I think it looks really beautiful. It's got pink floral designs with gold flecks. It's super aesthetic and just beautiful. The inside of the box looks something like this. It has got the details about the Festive box and some sweet messages on this card, and on the back of this card there are product details like how you can use the products and what are the steps that you need to follow for a full manicure using this box. Then there is the card of Araina, and this is designed by Gargi, that is Floral Charm. I'll leave her profiling in the description box as well. Make sure you check her out. You don't want to miss her out, trust me on that. The first product is a hand and foot salt, and all the ingredients list and what they do and every details about the ingredients are given on the website, so make sure you check it out. Okay, the next product is a hand and foot mask. I did not imagine something like this could exist, but apparently it does and it works. The next product is a nail serum. It is a bi-phase serum. You will see later in this video. What it does and how it does it, everything is mentioned on the website. The next product is a hand and foot polish. It's slightly different from the existing scrubs. It is more foamy and lathery. I really like the fruity bubblegumish scent it has. The last thing from the box is a cuticle balm, and it has got loads of benefits. It works in a lot of different ways. The texture of this one is slightly different from the cuticle butter that Araina has. Well, if you didn't guess this already, Araina is a shop by Arshneet where you can get all kinds of nail care, hand care and body care products. They make vegan and cruelty free and amazing quality products. Everything I have from Araina works wonders for me, and I love all the products from this box as well. The second part of the video consists of the texture of the products and how to use them. So that was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and do check out Araina by Arshneet. Everything she makes is just amazing. They work wonders. I love each one of them, and I also love the nail art that I have done matching with this box. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Bye.